slope of this line, I can go down 1, 2, 3, and then across 3 to get to another point. What you want to do is you just want to get from one point to the next. And so in this case, you're going down 3 and then plus 3. I can do that again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It should be the same because it's a line, and all lines will have from any point to the other point the same rise and run. So again, this is -3 and then plus 3. So then I can write slope is equal to rise over run, and the rise is -3, the run is +3, and that's -1. There it is right there. I can do it in another way too. Why not go up this way? It's the same thing. So if I go up 1, 2, 3, and then across this way, what I'm doing this time, I'm going up 3, which is a positive number, and to the left, which is a negative. And then I do it again this way, +3, and then -3. And so I write down slope equals rise over run. And this time the rise is +3 and the slope is -3. That is still -1. It doesn't matter where your negative is in the rise or the run. If there is one negative, you have a negative slope. Now another one that we want to look at is some slopes look like this. A vertical line. Vertical line this way, horizontal line this way. In this case, when you look at this, you are not going to go down a ski hill on something like this. And so the slope here has a rise of 0. There is no rise, and therefore the slope is 0. The run can be anything. It doesn't really matter. 0 over anything is 0. And any horizontal line has a slope of 0. The vertical line doesn't have a run, just has a rise. The rise can be anything. You can put any number here. And then you divide it by 0, and what you get is something called undefined. I tell students that a slope like this would cause death, really. You cannot go down a ski hill like this, right? So the slope here is called undefined because we are dividing by 0. And the slope here is 0. So a vertical slope is undefined, and a horizontal slope is 0. Now, when you have a point, any point on the line, any point, or not even a point, any point, just take any point. Let's take this point here. And let's say we have a point, and a slope equals to -2. So -2 means -2 over 1, which means a rise over run of -2 over 1. So if I go, because it's negative, I'm going to go down to 1, 2, and then across 1. And then 1, 2, and across 1. When I know the slope of a line, and if I have any given point, I can create my line. I can find any point on that line. As long as I have one point and the slope, I can keep going down 2, across 1, down 2, across 1, down 2, across 1, etc. Okay. I could have also done it this way, is 2 over -1. And again, this is the same thing. I can take my point that was given to me at the beginning. This was the point that was given to me. And because it's a +2, I'm going to go up 2. So 1, 2, and then to the left, 1. Up 2 to the left. Up 2 and to the left. So up 2 to the left this way. So up 2 to the left 1, up 2 to the left 1, and I can go that way. And it continues this line. Either way is correct. You can either decide to go down 2 and to the right 1, or up 2 and to the left 1. It'll still give you the same slope.